Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I know I haven't uploaded in a long time. Today we're going to be talking about how to start a residential cleaning business in 5 steps. If I talk about something but I don't talk much about it and you want more specifics on it, please comment down below and I can make an individual video about it. So I got my notes and I probably think of things as I'm talking. So I'm excited to share this. So let's get started. So let me give you a little bit of background on me. I started my own residential cleaning business in June of 2021. So it's been a little over a year and it has been very successful. I do give a good amount of that success to me having a good social media following. At the time, I did get a lot of business that way, but you don't have to have that. Now, if you guys are interested in doing something like a commercial cleaning business or something like that, honestly, I'm probably not gonna be much of a help for you. I've never done commercial cleaning, so that's kind of like a whole different ball game, and I apologize if that's what you're interested in, but maybe some of these tips can help you. The first thing you need to decide is, do you wanna do what most regular residential cleaning businesses do? You get reoccurring clients, you go back weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, and you clean for like the same clients once you build a good clientele. I personally don't do that. I specialize in deep cleaning, so usually I only have one-time clients. I do have 1 weekly client, 2 bi-weekly clients, and like 2 monthly clients. But that literally takes up like 1 day a week for me. I fill the rest of my time with one-time deep cleans. I enjoy deep cleaning more, so that's something I specialize in. If you guys enjoy doing like the maintenance cleaning, then that would be the path that you would take. Regardless, you would still do the same steps I'm going to talk about, but that's important to figure out. When you go to advertise and promote your business, you need to know what you want to specialize in. You can also specialize in toxic-free cleaning, green cleaning, cleaning products that are healthier for animals and pets, that's the same thing. Kids, all that stuff. So if you have a specialty, now would be the time to figure it out. Step 2 is picking a business name. My business name is Alyssa's Cleaning Company. My name's Alyssa, so that's never going to change. And I have a cleaning company. That will not change either. So when picking a business name, there's a few things you want to keep in mind. A, you want it to be simple and easy to remember. Alyssa's Cleaning Company. Pretty simple. I don't think that's going to be too complicated for people. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't think it is. 2, you want something that will grow with you. So right now I clean solo. I don't plan on hiring employees. If I did change my mind, that name will still go with my company. It's still my cleaning company. That's not changing, so that can grow with me. Keep it simple, keep it relatively short. You don't want like a book that people have to like write in or remember. I always recommend like either something about your name, your area. If you live in Arizona, like Sunny Skies Cleaning Company. I don't know, I'm literally pulling stuff out of my butt, but you guys get the idea. Simple, easy to remember, something that will grow with you. So when you pick a business name, you want to make sure that no one else has it. Through my state's website, mine I think is like michigan.gov, you can search if that business name already exists in your state. So you literally like type in your name that you want to use, basically see if it's already taken or not. If it's not, great. If it is, obviously you have to pick a new name. So again, check on your state's website. I guys promise there'll be so much information on there. Now, step 3, we can talk more about sole proprietorships and LLCs. Like I said, I have an LLC. The reason, let me backtrack. Let's talk about the difference between them. So an LLC, which is what I have, is a limited liability corporation. When you form an LLC, it gives you more protection, pretty much anything financial. An LLC will protect you personally, so it's not coming out of your personal bank account. When you file an LLC, you're literally like creating a whole new business entity. So you and your business are 2 completely different things, and whatever happens in your business, like something bad, it's not going to come back on you personally. I hope that makes sense. Now, a sole proprietorship, a lot of people start with this. I personally didn't. I jumped straight into an LLC. A sole proprietorship is easier to get, like there's not as much paperwork and stuff to get a sole proprietorship. It is a little bit cheaper. We'll talk about that in a minute. But the issue is you don't get as much protection. Like I said, with an LLC, you are like separating your business and you. With a sole proprietorship, you are not. It's like one and the same. So if there is a financial issue, that's going to come back on you, and now you're liable for any debts or whatever in your business. To get an LLC, You have to register through your state. Now you decided LLC, so proprietorship. Now let's talk about some other paperwork. An EIN number. An EIN number is an employer identification number, and there's a few reasons why you would want to get one. You know how you have like a social security number? That's really what an EIN number is for your business. So as you can guess, it's probably kind of important. If you want to open a business bank account, which you should do, you need to have an EIN number. If you want to hire employees, now down the line, you need to have an EIN number. And to handle your federal, state taxes, business taxes, you need to have an EIN number. So as you can see, it's kind of an important thing to get. To get an LLC, it does cost, again, I'm talking about Michigan. I'm assuming most states are pretty similar to this. So when I filled out the paperwork on the michigan.gov website to get an LLC, it costs a minimum of $50 to register your name. An EIN number should not cost you anything. And a website company is trying to charge you, it's a scam. Do not pay to get an EIN number. It is free through your state's website, okay? Okay, I guess this kind of goes with step 3, paperwork-ish. Opening a business bank account. I think it's so important. I took a little while to do this. I didn't realize the importance of it. I wish I would have did it sooner. But opening a business bank account, it separates your business assets and your personal assets. It makes it so much easier when you're filing taxes. I wish I would have done it sooner, because when I filed taxes last year, it was a big pain in the butt. All right, step 4, we're going to talk about insurance. So fun. Are you required to get insurance for your cleaning business? No. Should you get insurance for your cleaning business? Yes. Business insurance is going to cover your butt in case something happens to you, to the house you're cleaning. There's different kinds of insurances, but the one I have is general liability insurance. This is very common for small businesses. General liability insurance protects you in case you or your employees get hurt on the job, or you or your employees break something on the job. It will cover like the legal cost of things, the cost to repair or replace the items or item that you broke. Now let's talk about the price of insurance. So it's going to vary by state, by type of business. It usually ranges anywhere between like $200 a year and $1,000 a year. Mine's kind of like right in the middle of that. I pay less than $50 a month, which is literally seems like nothing compared to what it would cost me if I broke something or got hurt and had to pay. I use Next Insurance. It took literally 5 minutes to get a quote. Super easy. I will link them down below if you guys want to check them out. All right, step 5, the most fun step out of all of this is you got your business name, you decided how you want to run your business, what you want to do, you formed a sole proprietorship or LLC, you got insurance, you got your EIN number, you open your bank account. Now you can start advertising. I can make a whole separate video on advertising, but I'm going to give you the basics. I got lucky in the fact that I had a friend who also owns her own business, and she created me a website using Squarespace. I'll have my website linked down below if you guys want to just check it out. It cost me, I think, about $35 a month to keep that up and running. There's so many different platforms you can create a website on. It doesn't have to be Squarespace. I'm not sponsored by them or anything, but I'm just letting you guys know that that's what I have. I think it's good to have a website. Honestly, I don't go on it very often, but it gives people a chance to kind of see what I do, who I am. So I like having a website. One thing I would say you should do is create a Facebook business page. This is going to give people a way to find you. Facebook is very popular. Find you separate from your personal Facebook page. And people can leave reviews, you can do before and after pictures, videos, all of your contact information. So I think it's good to have a Facebook business page. So create that, add some before and after pictures, add all of your information. Then go on your personal Facebook page and share it. Advertise that you started a new business. If you want to run like a small discount to the first handful of clients or whatever kind of special discount you want to do, you can do that and ask people to share it. Maybe they have a friend or family member in your cleaning services. So Facebook is a great way to advertise. Another app or page you can advertise on is called the Nextdoor app. It's one word. I'll link all these things down below. Basically, you link to like your neighborhood group, And so it's all people that are like local to you, and it's free. You can pay for ads. I wouldn't do that. I don't think paying for advertisements is worth it. I didn't really talk about pricing in this because pricing is just like a whole nother topic. So we can talk about that in another video. You might be like, how am I going to advertise without talking about pricing? The one tip I'll give you for now, do research in your local area. Research other companies that are around you. Look up groups on Facebook. Ask questions to other family and friends about what they pay for their current cleaner, what they're willing to pay. Do your research in your area. It's very hard for me to tell you what to say, this is what you should charge, because every area is different. I might charge something that would be way too expensive in another state or way too cheap in another state, and I'm getting ripped off. So do your research. Now you can do like the old-fashioned way of advertising, making flyers, putting them up places like the library, the grocery store. I've never done that, so I can't tell you if it works or not. And business cards. I did get some business cards made. Honestly, I've probably handed out about 5. I don't really use them that much, but I like to have them just in case. I keep them in my car. If somebody's asking about my business, there you go. I can give you that information. Okay. This video ended up being a lot longer than I thought it was going to be, but I think I covered everything. So if you guys have specific questions and want me to make another video on one of the topics I covered today or a different topic, please let me know. I really want to upload on this channel consistently. I'm shooting for once a week to start out. Maybe it will go up from there. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. I don't know everything. I've been doing this business for a year. That's literally nothing compared to so many other people. So I'm still learning with you guys. So I don't have all the answers. I know some people are interested in starting a business like this, and it does sound like a lot of steps, but I'm telling you guys, it's not as hard or expensive. Starting a cleaning business is probably one of the cheapest routes you can go. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and leave video suggestions down below. And I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.